today we're going to be decorating.
No, I don't have anything.
She's going to be fighting a dog, and I'm going to be decorating the tree. Anywho.
Mommy, you want to see my channel?
Do they want to see your channel? Excuse her mouth. She just finished eating. They want to see your channel. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, yeah, guys, so I just realized that I did not record an introduction. So hello, everyone. I am Mimi Brown 317, and I am so excited to be back. Guys, it's been years, literally years, but I'm so happy to be back this time. At least I hope that I'm actually back. I hope that you all will consider subscribing and sharing my video and doing a little comment situation below. And yeah, so let's just go ahead and get back into the Christmas decorating after you hit subscribe, of course. Thank you. Oh, and one more thing. This is going to be vlog style, so there's a lot going on in my house, and you all are going to get to see that. But anyway, yeah, so let's go ahead and get back in the video. Thank you.
Little dirty nose girl. Okay, but so anywho, normally I have a flock tree, which I absolutely love, but this year I just kind of wanted to do like something that was a little bit more minimal and just kind of just Bella.
Mommy?
You know this is rigged, and the more you bump it, you're gonna make it fall. You got some money?
No.
So anywho, I'm gonna you see I have my light boxes. You guys can probably see that in the TV. Listen, I done told y'all, this is not the channel if you're looking for somebody to have it all together, because I ain't got it all together. So you gonna see them right there, because I ain't finna fool with this camera now no more. I got it enough where you can kind of see this tree, and we're gonna decorate it. So let's get started. I'm gonna start with some of the things that I've had in years past, because we ain't got money like that over here. We don't be buying all new stuff. We get some, but a lot of it we mix in with the old. Okay, baby. So I don't really have a true idea. I know that I want to use some chocolates and some golds, but I don't really have like a vision. This is the first time that I'm decorating a green tree like this in my own home. So we're just gonna see what happens, okay? See what thus says the Lord. Yes, yes. See what thus says the Lord. See what he said. All right. All right, here's the turnip crew. The turnip crew has arrived. All right, and so I got these this year from Hobby Lobby. I think they were like, I just took the tag off. I want to say either $2.99 or $3.99, and then they were 50% off when I got them. However, now they're like 60% off, so whoop whoop to that. Oh, I got too old to be doing that. They're cute. Y'all listen, this is not one of those channels for like how to decorate so much, because I don't really have a way. I just do what I like. So yeah. And I want them to literally look like they're like spilling out of the tree. Cute. Cute. And I'm not worried about, I wish I had some more, but I don't, but I'm not worried about it because I also have these that I'm going to attempt to tear off. I need to go get my cutters. Let me go get my cutters because I'm tripping. I don't know who I thought I was. No, good well. These are not easy to do. Why do you why do people do that? Like when they bend it over or picking up something that's not heavy at all, they be like, I don't know why, but it just makes me feel good about doing it. I got issues, y'all. Y'all know I just entertain myself. Whatever. Okay, so y'all, I'm back. And it's nighttime, and I have literally like been going hard all day. Not with the tree. Not with the tree. I left the tree alone. but I had to take my daughter to some birthday parties, and anyway, so like I'm determined to get this done though tonight because I'm truly tired. I'm not tired of fooling with it because I literally just started today, but I'm ready to have my house back. And like, y'all, let me just be transparent, okay? So we already know we're ignoring the furniture because I'm working on that. That's DIY, that's not finished yet. But like, y'all, do y'all see all this Christmas stuff? And then it's like my fall stuff that needs to be put up. And I'm just, yeah, you did that. You did that. I'm just ready for this to have my house back. So, excuse me, Bella. Move, girl. Move. Move, girl. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and finish knocking this tree out. I think it's coming along. It's like I've never done like browns and golds and things like that. Normally I do my flock tree and then I have like my blush and all of that. But so it's cute. But so these are some of the bulbs, of course, like I said earlier, that I DIY'd. These little chocolate ones. I think they came out, you know, they're cute. They on the way. But I also did this one that's kind of like, it's gonna focus. Maybe I need to bring it up into the light. There we go. This one that is kind of like marbled a little bit. It's may not really be picking it up, but it is. It's kind of like marbled. It was cute. Did these where I just put some faux florals in, and then I had this chiffon ribbon that I just kind of ripped and tore just to kind of make it a little dainty. So we'll see. Anywho, but yeah, so then I have some more of those like kind of marbled looking little ones that I just, they're a lot cuter in person than they may be picking up in the camera, but I like them. So we're gonna hang these. And then I also did this one, which there's a video that's more, you know, in depth and everything, but these kind of like textured ones, I did those also. So there's a more detailed video that's either out or coming out depending on which video I post first, because y'all just been recording stuff and like I'ma just get it done, you know, get it recorded and I can figure out everything else. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish hanging these and then clean up, and then hopefully I can at least say I did my tree today. So yeah. Yes. Yes. Look how cute. I like that. And I don't know if I'm keeping this ribbon on here because it's not giving what, hey, it's not really giving what I had hoped it would give, but I really like the ornament itself. But I'm just gonna hang it and see. And I don't like to like make decisions like where I like completely take, I was making sure it was recording, couldn't see that dot. But I don't like to make decisions like where I'm uncertain about something like right in the moment. I like to kind of sit with it for a little bit. You are horrible. Hey, 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 hey. No. You can't tear that up. Anyway, but oh, see, I almost lost it. I almost lost you. I almost lost you. No, but I don't really like to make quick decisions right in the moment of things that I'm uncertain about, because like I be feeling like, let me sit with it for a little bit and see if it grows on me, and then if it doesn't, then I mean all I have to do is untie the ribbon and take it off. So that's a suggestion that I have also, is like if you're like not really sure about how you feel about something, just sit with it for a little bit, unless it's people. If you ain't sure about people, that's your intuition. Let them go. But anyway, I digress. And I'm gonna wait till I turn the lights on too to like really make a informed decision. Whew, y'all, I'm tired. When I tell you I'm putting every bowl on here that I made, my dog is like really not being her best at all. But yeah, I'm gonna put every bulb on here that I made just because like I took the time to make them and I want them to be seen, and I'm gonna put them like where you can definitely see it. Now, I don't know about that ribbon. It's kind of giving old raggedy clothes a little bit, but again, I'm gonna sit with it for a little bit before I make a decision. And this one is really pretty, y'all. I wish I could see. It's kind of like feathered. Yeah, y'all can see that. That one's like really pretty. My mommy helped me with these. So these will be something that I keep forever because my mother helped me. I want this to like really be seen. I want you to be a star. Where did I put you here? You're cute. You need to stop doing that. You really do.
So after much fighting with myself and my dog, this is what I have come up with for my 2022 Christmas tree in my family room, and I actually really, really like it. It's something completely new that I'm trying, and I must say, I'm really feeling the aesthetic that it's giving. But I'm still kind of questioning those bows, but we're going to sit with it, just kind of see if we began to love it a little bit more. But anywho, I hope that you all have enjoyed today's video. I know that I still need a tree skirt, and I'll figure that out in the days to come. But I hope that you all have enjoyed this and that you get some creative ideas for it for maybe your tree next year. And I hope that you all will find it in your heart to please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, to share my video, and to like it, and to send me a little comment below. Give me some encouragement. Let me know that I can actually do this thing called YouTube. But anyway, remember, taking the first step can be the hardest step, but it can also be the most rewarding. Go ahead, step out on faith, trust God to see you through, and know that everything else will fall into place. But while you're at it, please hit subscribe, please, 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 and share my video, please. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.